Hi, it's Jenny, and today I am back at Disney California Adventure for another Disney Character Hunt. I'm looking at Avengers Campus to see what new Marvel superheroes we can find. Today is the release of the new movie, Thor: Love and Thunder, and with that comes a new character to Avengers Campus. We will be on the hunt for Jane Foster, now known as Mighty Thor. Let's see if we can find her, and let's see who else is roaming Avengers Campus today. Patrolling on top of Avengers headquarters today is the Wasp. In a previous video, we actually met the Wasp and she was carrying Bugs Land, which she and Scott Lang were able to miniaturize and preserve using PIM particles. To watch that video, click on the link up in the corner. Hello, just wanted to say hi.
Hi.
How's it going today?
Oh, just hanging out. What's your next mission?
Lunch. Definitely lunch.
Hey, check out the shawarma. I hear it's great.
Okay, all right. Is that one okay though? That's like the secret shawarma cart. Is one more line?
But I prefer the one next to Pim's.
Yeah?
Even though this line's shorter.
Okay. Thank you so much.
No worries. Take care.
So Jane Foster, or Mighty Thor, is meeting and greeting around Avengers Campus. At this time, she is signing autographs and she is roaming, so it may be a little bit tricky to find her. She's kind of been all over the place in various locations throughout Avengers Campus, so you may need to bring your patience if you're looking for her.
But I'm still workshopping some catchphrases, so if any of you have any ideas, I could use some suggestions. You look like you have some good ideas.
I don't know if I have good catchphrases.
About hammers? Thunder. Lightning. Here comes the thunder.
Right, there we go.
Yeah, okay, that's good. What about, I've been working. Yeah, this one. Eat my hammer.
I love that.
That's
my favorite, best one.
Okay.
Eat my hammer.
I mean, if you guys can vote on ideas. So we've got, here comes the bloom of thunder.
Yes.
Eat my hammer. Do you have an idea? Okay, so here comes the bloom of thunder. Bring the lightning, or eat my hammer.
Eat my hammer.
So, do you guys, which one sounds best?
I like bring the lightning.
Bring the lightning. We got a couple votes for bring the lightning.
Bring the lightning or eat my hammer.
Eat my hammer. Eat my hammer. Very good.
And right now, Captain Marvel is up on top of Avengers headquarters. Thank you so much for coming along on this quick trip out to Avengers Campus to check out the new Mighty Thor, Jane Foster, in her brand new costume. Really cool to see that, and we love that here at Avengers Campus, whenever a new Marvel movie or show or series is released, there is often a new character that can be found in the area. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what other characters you'd like me to be hunting for in the future, and I'll do my best. Be sure to subscribe for even more magical content, and I hope I put you in a magical mood.